The lesson in Chapter 3 focuses on the history and management practices of the Sears Company as a case study to understand business management concepts. Key topics covered include 1. Founding and market research. Julius Rosenwald established Sears in 1895 with a focus on understanding the needs of farmers as a unique market segment. Importance of market research, e.g., studying customer needs, preferences, and purchasing power. 2. Management innovations. The use of catalogs to reach rural customers and build trust through policies like caveat vendor, ensuring the seller's responsibility for product quality. Building systems and supply chains to support large-scale operations. 3. Business growth and adaptation. Transition under Robert Wood in the 1920s to expand from rural markets to urban and middle-income groups. Recognizing the shift to a unified mass market in the U.S. 4. Organizational development. Innovations in retail, such as new store designs, decentralized management, and performance measurement at individual store levels. 5. Challenges and continuous improvement. Adapting to new market conditions, such as changing customer demographics and economic challenges. Ongoing analysis of customers, markets, and innovations to maintain growth and relevance.